All right. Python 1, Alexei. My main idea was to do something easy, but then I realized it was hard. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about libraries and functions, which I used in my project. Import turtle can make the turtle on the screen when you run the code go forward, backwards, left, or right. Or the time library that will make your code stop for amount of seconds you typed. This will happen if you type import time and import dot sleep and then how much seconds you want it to stop. To function. I made functions for square and rectangles. Whatever you're working with is you could use circles, squares, or rectangles, any shape. So functions will give you the right amount of space and color. Code example. Code 1 input. This is import turtle and then imported time to stop it a little. And code 2 function. Function is def rectangle or perimeter. Perimeter. Live demonstration. This is my code and I like the demonstration. Wait.
You want to show how your dog gets drawn?
Yeah, that's the wrong one.
Want to click one?
Yeah.
That's the big. Well, actually, this is too close.
Do my dog after the turtle drew it all?
Yeah, it's the overtime so you can see.
My favorite part about working on this project was testing it out. It was my favorite because I liked how it was just a shaded dog, then became a fully colored and lined out dog over time. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to my project to work on on this project, I would add more color to make it stand out, make more code for a bigger dog, and make more dogs. Thank you.